Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Bitget exchange. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Trust Wallet. Once you open your Trust Wallet, after that simply click on the manage crypto, and after that in the search bar you have to simply select the any cryptocurrency you want to send to Bitget exchange. For example, I want to send BTC, so enter BTC and you will find BTC at the top. Simply click on BTC, and after that at the bottom you will find send button, so simply click on the send. Now in order to send, you will have receiving address of Bitget exchange. In order to find that, simply minimize this and open your Bitget exchange. Now once you have logged into your Bitget exchange, click on the assets tab, and after that you will find deposit, so simply tap on deposit and click on the deposit crypto button in the I have crypto assets. Now in order to deposit BTC, in the search bar search for BTC and you will find Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin, and after that you just need to simply select the network, so simply select Bitcoin, which is its own network, and here you will find your Bitcoin depositing address. You just simply need to copy this address, and after copying simply reopen Trust Wallet and paste this address here. After that you just need to simply enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send to Bitget exchange. After that click on the next button at the bottom, and after that it will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your funds from Trust Wallet to Bitget exchange. And that's how you can transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Bitget exchange. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.